All right, I want you to do something for me right now. Just look down at your hands. Seriously, look at them. What are those hands for? What are they building, or what are they destroying?
Are they the tools you're going to use to build your empire? Or are they the chains that are burying your willpower day after day? Look, we've all heard the term NoFap, right? It's been turned into this internet meme, some kind of fleeting challenge. But that is not what this is about. We're going way deeper here, talking about a choice, a fundamental choice that defines the entire direction of your life.
Let's be real clear about something. This is a war. A war for your focus, for your energy. Hell, it's a war for your very soul.
Right now, you're standing at a crossroads, and there are two versions of you. On one side, there's the surrendered self, the guy who's trading his entire future for a bunch of pixels. And on the other, there's the liberated self, a king, just waiting to be reclaimed. So yeah, today we're going way beyond just NoFap. We're talking about the fight to take back your own mind.
Okay, so how do we actually do this? Look, this isn't some vague self-help talk. It's not about just trying harder or gritting your teeth. The NoFap protocol is about rebuilding your brain. It's a neurological reset, and it's grounded in cold, hard science. Let's get into the neuroscience of it. First up, we got to talk about something called desensitization. Think about your brain's reward system, okay? It's like this finely tuned instrument. Now, what happens when you hit it with this constant, high-speed artificial stimulation? Gary Wilson, in his book, Your Brain on Porn, explains it perfectly. It's like taking a fire hose of chemicals and just blasting that delicate instrument. Your brain was never designed to handle that kind of flood. So what's the result? You become desensitized. The simple things, a great conversation, seeing a sunset, they just don't hit the same. They feel kind of dull. This protocol is about giving your brain the time it needs to dry out and actually heal.
And then there's this other big one, hypofrontality. Yeah, it's a big word, but the concept is simple, and it's been talked about in major journals like Nature. Just imagine your prefrontal cortex is the CEO of your brain. It's the part that's in charge of the big picture, long-term plans, making smart decisions, controlling your impulses. Well, hypofrontality is what happens when that CEO gets weak, really weak. And when the boss is weak, it becomes almost impossible to make the right calls for your own future.
So your brain's CEO is either weakened or rebuilt. When it's weakened, you've basically lost the steering wheel to your own life. You're not in the driver's seat anymore. And that's the whole point of this protocol. It isn't just about fighting off an urge here and there. No, you are literally rebuilding the part of your brain that's in charge. You are taking back the steering wheel.
Okay, so the science is one thing, but what does this actually look like for real people? What does it feel like? Let's hear some stories from the fight, from guys who have actually been on this journey.
First, let's talk about Alex. He's 26, and he felt like he'd already lost a decade of his life. Just gone, stuck in this loop he couldn't find a way out of.
But then, after 90 days on the protocol, he said everything changed. That constant brain fog he'd been living in, it just lifted. He said he could finally look his father in the eye with real confidence. His words say it all. I didn't just quit a habit. I found the man I was supposed to be.
Then you've got Mark, 31 years old, and for him, man, the energy surge was real. It wasn't just about getting back something he'd lost. It was about unlocking a level of potential he never even knew he had.
He talked about this absolutely undeniable surge of energy. His focus, his drive, his workouts in the gym, everything just skyrocketed. And I love how he put it. He said NoFap didn't give me superpowers, it just took away the kryptonite that was killing me. What a perfect way to describe it.
So stories like that are powerful, right? But how do you actually do it? How do you make it happen? Because let's be honest, willpower alone isn't enough. It'll fail you. You need a system. You need a battle plan.
All right, here it is, your 3-point battle plan. It's simple, but it's not easy. Step 1, the 5-second rule. The second an urge hits, you have 5 seconds to physically move. That's it. Get up, do push-ups, walk outside. Just move. A moving target is damn hard to hit. Step 2, transmutation. You're gonna have all this raw energy. Don't try to crush it. That never works. You have to channel it, transmute it. Pour that energy into the gym, into your business, into building something real. Because if you don't command that energy, trust me, it will command you. And finally, step 3, environmental control. Be smart. Engineer your environment for victory. Is your phone the trigger? Then get it the hell out of your bedroom. The bedroom is your sanctuary, not a war zone. Don't invite the enemy inside.
Okay, so we have the science, we have the stories, we have the plan. Now it's time to reclaim your throne. This is the final call to greatness. It all comes down to one simple choice.
Look, there's pain either way. There's the pain of discipline,
And you know what? That pain is a feather.
But then there's the other pain, the pain of regret.
and that pain is a mountain. It will crush you. It's permanent. That's the choice, a feather or a mountain. You decide.
This is your moment, right now. This isn't about a 30-day streak or a 90-day challenge. This is about the rest of your life. It's about committing, truly committing, to becoming the absolute strongest version of you. Because the world is waiting for that man to show up.
So there's only one question left to ask. Will you reclaim your throne?